Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a makeup tutorial and I'm so excited because I haven't done one in forever. I'm actually home right now on spring break, so I don't have my usual camera with me that I usually film my videos with, so that's why this video might look a little different. It might look a little bit less profesh than usual. I'm using my vlog camera, but I think the quality is actually pretty good. I used this camera for my last video as well, and it turned out pretty good, so I had a lot of fun doing it, like I said, because I haven't done one in forever. Let me know if you want to see more of these in the future, and I will definitely do more makeup tutorials. I love doing them. They're so much fun for me. And so I did this really pretty like pinkish purple toned look, and I just think it's really glowy and I love the eyes, and I just love how it all kind of combines together to create this really pretty like blush springy makeup. So let me know if you guys try out this look, and let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. So the first thing I'm gonna do is apply a eye base. So I'm gonna use this cream shadow from Benefit. It's in the color Birthday Suit, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of just like a shimmery beige color, and I would use something a little bit less colorful, like something not as dark. Like I would probably use a lighter eye base, but this is the lightest one that I brought home with me for spring break because I'm on spring break right now and I'm at home, so I don't really have a lot of makeup with me. Most of it is at school, so this is the best thing that I have. First, I'm gonna use this color right here. It's called Honor, and it's kind of just like a purpley color with it has shimmer to it. So wow, this is so weird. I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in forever, so I just totally feel like I'm completely out of practice right now. So bear with me, guys. Your girl is a bit rusty. So next in the crease, I'm going to be mixing these two colors, Royal and, what is this one? Majestic, or no, Regal and Majestic. So I'm gonna mix those two and put them in the crease. Okay, and then over top of the colors that I just applied, I'm gonna use this matte purple color, and it's called Primrose, and it's kind of just more of a taupey purple color, and it's gonna kind of just tone down the vividness of the color I just applied because it's just kind of a bright fuchsia color and I wanted more of a purpley tone. And now I'm going to use these two bright pink colors again and mix them with a little brush like this. It's kind of like a smudger brush, and I'm just going to apply underneath of my eye. And then to deepen the look a little bit, I'm gonna use this color right here called Grand. It's kind of just like a dark plum color, but it has some brown to it, so it's just gonna help tone down the brightness a little bit. So that's what we're working with so far. And then I'm going to take this color called Treasury, and it's basically just like a matte cream color, and I'm gonna use that to blend the crease with my eyebrow, I guess. Not my eyebrow, my brow bone. Now you can do whatever kind of liner you want, but I like to do liquid, so I'm going to use this Tarte one. It's called Maneater. Love it. Sometimes I wing it out, sometimes I don't. I'm just gonna do a small wing today. Y'all, you know your day is going right when your wing is on fleek. Alrighty, now I'm going to put on some mascara. So today I'm using the L'Oreal Superstar X Fiber mascara. This has been my favorite lately. I did a review on this mascara actually a couple videos back, so if you want to check that out, I will link it in the description. I bet you guys thought I forgot highlighter, but guess what? I didn't. I'm using Queen from the palette. This is like the best highlight color ever. It's like a pinkish toned highlight, and I'm going to apply this underneath my brow bone. Love it. And then I'm going to put some on the inner corners of my eyes, of course. And then I'm going to put it down the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose and on my Cupid's bow. Alright, so for bronzer, I'm using this Alima Pure bronzer, And this is kind of like from a natural brand, and I use the contour powder. It's called Sombra. So I'm just putting this in the hollows of my cheekbones. As you can see, it gives a really, really nice, beautiful contour, especially for a powder. Whoops, dropped my brush. I'm going to put some on my gel line as well. I'm also gonna use some on the sides of my nose. All right, now I'm gonna go in and fix my highlight because it kind of got a little bit wiped off. It's all good though. Yeah, this is my favorite highlight lately. It's not even a highlight, it's like an eyeshadow, but it just works amazing. And I just apply it with an eyeshadow brush. I guess I'm ratchet like that, I don't know. Is it weird that I do that? And then for blush, I'm gonna use the Tarte Exposed blush. I'm sure most of you guys have heard this before. And applying it to my cheekbones. In case you guys haven't figured it out yet, this is a very casual makeup tutorial. It's almost like a get ready with me. Yeah, hopefully you like it. And now I'm gonna do lips because I have concealer mouth right now. So I'm using the Milani lip liner. I believe this is, yeah, this is all natural. And this is my favorite lip liner because it basically is like the same shade as my real lips. And it just goes with like every lipstick, pretty much. And now for lipstick, I think I got this in like a swag bag at BeautyCon once or something, but this is from Sexy Mother Pucker. Wait, no, that's what the lipstick is called. And it's from Soap & Glory. And this is in the color Berry Kissable. And it's kind of like a brightish berry color, like neutral, I don't know. It's a very unique lipstick. And you guys, this smells like a straight up marshmallow. I freaking love this lipstick. It's very smooth too, but it lasts a long time. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look. Let me get closer so you can see. Alright guys, that was the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked the way that it turned out. I really like it. I think it's super pretty. Please leave future video requests in the comments down below, or just say hi in the comments and let me know what you thought of the video, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye!